Let's run it again and let's calculate for 5,000. So as you can see, the final amount is what? 4,750. That's what we got here. If I'm still right, yes. So that's what we got here. So our program is running smoothly. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be working on a supermarket discount. So I do have my file open here, supermarket discount, as you can see. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. So first, we're going to be working on this question, which is a just right supermarket management system. So the management decided to run a promotion discount for the customers who purchased goods worth certain amount. You are contacted to write a program to this effect. Using C language, write a program with the following set conditions. So I want you guys to pause the video and take a look at this question. Then when you're done, you can resume and continue. So our first condition here is if a negative value is entered for total amount of goods purchased, the program should display invalid amount. Please enter a valid amount. So we are going to be collecting a total amount, and I'm going to declare a variable called total amount using float total amount. So now I'm going to prompt the user to enter a number, to enter the total amount, with F, enter your total amount. Then I'm going to scan it, scan F, %F, because it's a float data type, and percent, the name of the variable I want to save my input to, which is total amount. So now we have our total amount collected. So now the next thing is to check for if the total amount is a negative value. So to do that, we're going to use if statement. If total amount is less than 0, then you have to display invalid amount. Please enter a valid amount. Invalid amount. Please enter a valid amount. So our next condition is if the total amount of good purchase is less than 5,000, the program should display you are not eligible for this discount at this time. So I'm going to say else if total amount is less than 5,000, our program should display you are not eligible for discount at this time. So our next condition is if the total amount of goods purchased is between 5,000 to 10,000. So we say if total amount is greater than equals to 5,000 and our total amount is less than equals to 10,000. So we're going to actually do something once this condition is met, which is calculate 5% discount and display the final amount to be paid after discount has been deducted from the total amount. So let's see what is going on here, guys. So I'm going to run my calculator. So the program said that we are to calculate 5% of a discount, 5% of any input the person enters. So what the program is saying here is just, let's say the user enter 5,000 naira, 5,000 naira. We're going to calculate 5% of 5,000 naira, and we are going to deduct that 5% of the 5,000 naira and display the final amount. So we're just going to say like 5,000. Okay, so let's calculate 5% of 5,000. That's 5,000 times 5 over 100, which is 0.05. So times 0.05. So our answer is going to be 250. So then this is the discount calculated already, and display the final amount to be paid after discount has been deducted. So we're going to deduct this 250 from our 5,000. That's 5,000 minus 250. So our answer should be 450. So this is going to be our final amount. So let's see how we're going to do that in the program. So first we need to declare a variable called discount, and another variable called, let's say, final amount. So our discount is going to be equals to what? 0.05 times, which is 5%, times the total amount, right? And our final amount is going to be equals to what? Total amount minus what? Discount. Then we were told to display the final amount, so printf the final amount is %f, comma, final amount. So let me quickly come again and explain what is going on here. So we're told that once the total amount is between the range of 5,000 to 10,000, then our discount will be 5%. So we're deducting 5% from our total amount. So to get 5%, we're just going to times 5% times the total amount, which is 0.05 times total amount. Then after that, our final amount is going to be equals to the total amount, which is the initial value the user entered, maybe 5,000, then minus discount. Maybe if you have 250 here, so it will be 5,000 minus 250. So our final amount is going to be like 4,750. So also we're going to do that for the rest, which is once the total amount is between 10,001 and 15,000, we are going to calculate 7.5%. So without wasting much of our time, I'm just going to copy and paste this. So guys, we're done. So let me quickly brush up and come back. What's going on here? So guys, we're done. Let me quickly explain what is going on here. So here the program states that once is between 10,000 and once 15,000, let's calculate 7.5%, which is what we did here. Calculate 0.5%, then display the final amount. Also, once the total amount of goods purchased is between 15,001 to 20,000. That's what we did here, 15,001 to 20,000. So we're calculating 10%, which is 0.01. And lastly, once our total amount is greater than 20,000, then okay, which is, sorry, 10% is 0.1, then 12.5% is 0.125, Okay. Yeah. So once our program is greater than 20,000, then we are going to calculate 12.5%, which is 0.125, and 7.5% if our program is in between 10,001 to 15,000. Yes. So that's all. So let's run our program and let's see how it goes. So I'm going to press F9 to run for shortcuts. Oh, wait. So saying enter your amount. So let's enter a negative value and let's see what's going on. -3. Invalid amount. Please enter a valid amount. Yeah. So let's run it again. And let's enter a value less than 5,000. Let's say 4,000. Sorry, you're not eligible for discount at this time. Exactly. So let's run it again and let's calculate for 5,000. So as you can see, the final amount is what? 4,750. That's what we got here, if I'm still right. Yes. So that's what we got here. So our program is running smoothly. So thank guys for watching this video. If you want a picture of this, I'll be posting it on my Instagram account. You can kindly follow me at _DaveWorld. And yeah, that's all guys. So make sure you like, you share, you comment, and good luck on your CSE 201 exams. And yeah, peace out.